Are you tired of relying on synthetic painkillers that often come with unwanted side effects? Let us share with you herbs that can help with pain and pain management. Did you know ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans extensively used herbs for medicinal purposes, including pain relief? Today, millions of Americans are actively managing chronic pain. According to the National Institutes of Health, approximately 20% of adults in the United States experience chronic pain, while around 8% have high-impact chronic pain that significantly limits their daily activities. Today, we'll unlock the secrets of 14 extraordinary herbs that can transform your pain management routine. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare to discover the wonders of natural pain relief, some of which can even be grown in your backyard. We'll even throw in one controversial herb at the end. No, it's not cannabis. As always contact a doctor before changing medications or using new herbals and supplements. Willow Bark. Did you know aspirin originated from willow bark? For centuries, this natural remedy has been studied for its pain-relieving qualities. It contains a compound called salicin that reduces the production of pain-inducing chemicals in your nerves. It also includes plant chemicals called polyphenols and flavonoids, have antioxidant, fever-reducing, antiseptic, and immune-boosting properties. Willow bark supplements or tea can provide effective relief from headaches, muscle pain, and joint discomfort. Arnica. This herb boasts anti-inflammatory effects that make it an ideal solution for bruises, sprains, and muscle strains. Arnica has 150 different bioactive components, making it complex to explain why it works. But we know it has since the 1500s. As an herb, Arnica is used topically, on the skin, as a gel or a cream, because it can cause serious side effects when taken by mouth. Don't ingest this one. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used for 4,000 years to treat a variety of conditions. Studies show that turmeric may help fight infections and some cancers, reduce inflammation, and treat digestive problems. Turmeric is rich in phytonutrients that may protect the body by neutralizing free radicals and shielding the cells from damage. Some research results show that people who have osteoarthritis reported less joint pain when eating turmeric. Turmeric is more cumulative, so you might have to take it ongoing to see its anti-inflammatory benefits. Ginger. Studies have found ginger extracts can reduce the production of several chemical substances that promote joint inflammation. Ginger also contains salicylates, which your body transforms into a chemical substance called salicylic acid, and this eases pain and discomfort. It also has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. Because of this, it's thought to boost your overall immunity. One study in 2000 found that ginger extract was as effective as ibuprofen in the first treatment. If you didn't know, ginger is also mostly known for its help with tummy troubles. Use it to aid in digestion. Devil's Claw. Devil's Claw has earned its reputation as the go-to natural remedy for managing joint pain, back pain, and arthritis. Historically, Devil's Claw has been used to treat pain, liver and kidney problems, fever, and malaria. It has also been used in ointments to heal sores, boils, and other skin problems. Laboratory studies found that extracts from the plant root can block several pathways which cause joint inflammation. These anti-inflammatory properties are thought to be due to its active ingredient, harpagoside. But animal studies found that its pain-killing properties can't be explained by this ingredient alone. The devil is not in the harpagoside. Valarium. Valerian herb is not only known for its calming properties, but also its ability to alleviate pain. Studies of mice suggest that valerian root can ease pain in the body through flavonoids, which inhibit the creation of nitric oxide. Valerian contains compounds that interact with the body's receptors and can provide relief from muscle tension and headaches. Fun fact: cats are attracted to valerian because it has a compound similar to catnip. If you haven't checked out our video on catnip, check that out for all its surprising medicinal qualities. Cloves. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound with potent analgesic properties. This makes them particularly effective in providing relief from toothaches and gum pain. It also has antibacterial properties. In a study from 2012, researchers found that clove oil had the ability to kill staph bacteria cells in liquid culture and in biofilm. Capsacin. Capsacin, derived from chili peppers, is recognized for its potent pain-relieving properties. When applied topically, capsacin initially activates and then desensitizes pain receptors, known as TRPV1 receptors in the skin, leading to a decrease in substance P, a neurotransmitter involved in transmitting pain signals to the brain. This dual action not only provides temporary relief from conditions like arthritis, muscle pain, and neuropathy, but also may have longer-term benefits by reducing the intensity of pain signals over time with continued use. Despite its heat-inducing properties, capsacin has been formulated into creams, patches, and ointments that can be applied directly to painful areas, making it a valuable alternative or complementary therapy in pain management strategies. Rosemary. Rosemary has anti-inflammatory properties that can ease pain associated with arthritis and muscle soreness. Incorporating rosemary into your diet, such as adding it to marinades or infusing it in oils for massages, can enhance its pain-relieving benefits. In the lab, rosemary has been shown to have antioxidant properties. Antioxidants can neutralize harmful particles in the body known as free radicals, which damage cell membranes, tamper with DNA, and even cause cell death. Also in the lab, rosemary oil appears to have antimicrobial properties, killing some bacterial and fungi in test tubes. Johns Wort. Johns Wort is traditionally used to treat nerve pain, sciatica, and muscle pain. It is believed to work by inhibiting the reuptake of certain neurotransmitters in the brain, which can help moderate pain perception. Additionally, it has anti-inflammatory properties that contribute to its effectiveness in managing pain. Johns Wort is commonly available in various forms, including capsules, extracts, and teas. One of the most well-known modern uses of Johns Wort is its application in treating mild to moderate depression. It's important to note that Johns Wort can interact with certain medications, including antidepressants, birth control pills, and blood thinners, so consulting with a healthcare professional before use is essential. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, a compound known for its cooling sensation and ability to soothe headaches and migraines. Applying diluted peppermint essential oil to the temples or inhaling its aroma can provide quick relief from tension headaches. One clinical trial indicates that it performs as well as acetaminophen. Another study shows that peppermint oil applied topically has pain relief advantages associated with fibromyalgia. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha has shown promise in aiding pain management primarily through its anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation, ashwagandha can alleviate pain associated with conditions like arthritis, rheumatism, and muscle soreness. Its ability to modulate the immune response and inhibit inflammatory pathways contributes to its effectiveness in easing chronic pain symptoms. Additionally, ashwagandha's adaptogenic qualities help the body cope with stress, which can indirectly influence pain perception and improve overall pain tolerance. Incorporating ashwagandha into a holistic approach to pain management may provide natural relief and support for individuals seeking alternatives to conventional pain medications. Ashwagandha is also used for cortisol management. Marjoram. Marjoram, a close relative of oregano, possesses anti-inflammatory qualities, making it beneficial for easing muscle cramps, joint pain, and headaches. It's been used to help coughs, runny noses, gallbladder issues, digestive problems, depression, dizziness, migraines, nervous headaches, nerve pain, and paralysis as well. And last, we will throw in one controversial herb, kratom. Traditionally used in its native regions for its stimulating and analgesic properties, kratom contains alkaloids which interact with opioid receptors in the brain, offering pain relief similar to opioids, but with reportedly less risk of other health issues. Advocates suggest it can alleviate chronic pain conditions such as arthritis and fibromyalgia, offering a natural alternative to prescription medications. However, its use remains controversial due to concerns over safety, addiction potential, and regulatory issues in various countries. Research into kratom's efficacy and safety for pain management continues to evolve, with ongoing debates about its benefits versus risks in medical and regulatory communities, so much so that it is illegal in some states. And that's it. Remember, it's vital to consult with a healthcare professional before integrating new herbs into your regimen, ensuring compatibility with your unique circumstances and whatever medications you are currently taking. If you found this exploration of natural pain relief herbs valuable, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. See you next time!